Greetings from the future adventure. Prepare to see the world in a whole new way with our idea for the 2026 Nissan Motorhome. An incredible combination of performance, comfort, and independence. Its sleek, aerodynamic shape, which could be built on a smart commercial van like the next Nissan NV350 Caravan or a cutting-edge electric van chassis, exemplifies how Nissan's distinctive contemporary design lines are both aesthetically pleasing and practical. Behind its brazen exterior is a variety of powerful and efficient engines, like the reliable blue DCI turbo diesel engine or even an eco-friendly and quiet all-electric powertrain, providing you with options for every trip. Inside, you'll find a totally revamped interface that blends appearance and practicality. The large, user-friendly touchscreen infotainment display serves as the control center and offers sophisticated navigation, seamless smartphone communication, and controls for all motorhome operations. Nissan's dedication to quality and innovation is evident in the cabin's sophisticated but comfortable design, which features high-end materials and dark chrome accents. An readily readable and adjustable digital instrument panel displays important information. Aft is the main living room, which has been thoughtfully planned to make use of every square inch of space. A cozy lounge space with well-covered sofas may be quickly transformed into a large dining area because of the modular design's amazing versatility. Huge panoramic windows bring in a lot of natural light and provide breathtaking views of everything you will see. An ambient LED lighting system makes the cabin appear cozy and welcoming at night. The bedroom provides the luxury of a boutique hotel when it's time to relax. A compact bookshelf and practical hidden storage around the cozy queen-size bed with an ergonomic mattress. After a long day of travel, solitude and a restful night's sleep are guaranteed by a side window with blackout curtains. Considering its small size, the bathroom is remarkably efficient and contemporary. It has a wet bath with a warm water shower, a fold-down sink with fashionable taps, and an effective cassette toilet. Its ingenious design guarantees effectiveness without sacrificing flair, so you may always look your best. The small but well-equipped kitchen is where you may prepare your favorite meals. It features plenty of room to store cookware and supplies, a small fridge, a stainless steel sink, and a 2-burner induction stove. Even in the woods, cooking is simple and enjoyable thanks to a tiny prep area and a smart fold-down table. The 2026 Nissan Motorhome is a mobile house that provides true independence, not simply a car. There is an unending journey ahead. Prepare to explore, travel, and savor every second.